All right, so this in this video, I'll show you how to use Reddit to get traffic to your Jvzoo affiliate link. So first of all, we need to write the content. Content is very much needed, of course. So we're going to use ChatGPT for content module. Now this is the prompt. This prompt you can find it with you, and what you have to do is you have to just change the few word. For example, write in depth review of. So we were taking an example of this product called ecom Pal AI. We cover Pal AI. So we're going to copy this, go back to Chat GPT and replace everything, every of the product keyword with this. Sales page, we're going to use again the JV page, copy this, go back to Chat and replace this link with the real product link. Same way, copy this again. And now, you can change the breed business or whatever the product name is with this one. Okay. Here we go. Let me just change this one too, and let's change this one too. This, here we go. Say performance, value of money, and then discuss the pricing and its value, SEO consideration, include the, okay, this is important, we need to include the keywords like this and this. All right, that's all. So all the word has been changed with the new product called e-cover Poly AI, and let's let it generate and see how it comes out. Cool. So just make sure when it comes up with the output, we need to make sure that we get that. So while it's generating the output, as we are, let's go back to our Reddit. So this is the Reddit. It's called I'm product rating. Now you can make your own Reddit or something, but for in this video, you need to access the account and just go there, this one, and click on create post. All right. The title will always be like this: e-cover Paul AI review and bonuses 2024. Okay, this is going to be the default title. Just change the name of the product and we're gonna use it. Meanwhile, let's go and check the Chat GPT. It's still writing. Wow, that's amazing. But you can see you need to be smart about it. It says some line without the direct exercise, blah blah blah. You need to change this. We're almost done. Some things it says doesn't really make sense because it's not exactly right, but most of the stuff is good. So copy from the introduction, or you can actually copy the whole thing from here. Copy, go back to your subreddit, and here paste. Now make sure you remove these extra dashes and you bold the titles. Remove the whole thing like this, and remove these hashes. Keep it like this. Again, the pros and those, just remove it. So I'm going to remove it and show you rest. Okay, like this. All right, so I have removed all the extra text, and finally you can write uh, check out e cover Paul AI demo video here. Okay, so this is all is completed now. Just make sure to remove extra spaces. We don't want extra spaces, and we are done. Cool. Once you're done with that, just click on post. All right, so here it is. So we are done with this. Cool. So this is all how you can put it on the Reddit, and we have already have a good number of members, so it's pretty good. Cool. Now see you in the next video.